Hey everyone, welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down the latest in the markets in just a few minutes. So here's the scoop. The stock market kept its momentum going yesterday, closing at session highs after posting its best week in a year. The Standard & Poor's 500 rose nearly 1%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average added about 0.6%. Over in the tech world, the Nasdaq Composite jumped more than 1.4%, leading the charge. What's driving these gains? Well, it's all about technology and consumer discretionary stocks right now. The Standard & Poor's 500 has now stretched its daily winning streak to 8 sessions, which, by the way, is its longest streak since November of last year. The Nasdaq is right there too, also logging its 8th consecutive win thanks to big moves from heavyweights like Nvidia and Tesla. Now let's talk about what's fueling this rally. Last week, we saw some strong gains that helped the market recover from early August sell-off. That sell-off was all about fears of a recession, but those concerns have started to ease. Why? We got some encouraging inflation and consumer spending data that made everyone feel a bit better about where the economy is headed. Looking ahead, everyone's already turning their focus to Fed Chair Jerome Powell's speech at the Jackson Hole Symposium on Friday. It's a pretty quiet week for economic data, so this speech is going to be key. With more confidence building around a soft landing for the economy, the big question now is not if the Fed will cut rates in September, but by how much. As of yesterday morning, traders were putting the odds at about 72% for a 0.25% rate cut and 28% for a bigger 0.50% cut, according to the CME FedWatch tool. But keep an eye out for Wednesday when the minutes from the Fed's July meeting drop. They could shake up those bets. And don't forget, the Democratic National Convention kicked off yesterday. Investors are keeping a close watch for any new insights, especially with Kamala Harris as the presidential nominee. That's it for today's Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Sella, and I'll catch you all tomorrow with the latest updates. Have a great day.